One can count the seeds in an apple, but only one can count all the apples in a seed. Before the creations of the heaven and the universe, there was only one, Allah, Rabbil Alameen, Al-Wahid, who made the sun and planted the stars like trees, Al-Ahad, the unique one, with no need of slumber or sleep, Al-Khaliq, created you like kun fayakun, from the womb to the tomb. Ar-Raqib is always watching you. Al-Musawwir fashioned thee and gave you all your faculties. All praise be to Al-Hamid, to He that is perfect and complete, and glory be to Al-Majid, majestically honorable indeed. And why would He need money when He is Al-Ghani? Al-Razzaq fulfills the needs of even the birds and the bees, while Al-Wahhab bestows His bounties out of love and mercy. And you could try and count all His blessings, but He is Al-Azim, cause Al-Malik is the only king with servants He doesn't need. Al-Hayy is alive, and Al-Qayyum will never die. Al-A'la beyond the skies, and Al-Hakim the most wise, no lies. But why would they try to prescribe As-Samad a son when my Lord has 99 names and Jesus ain't one? Al-Hakim is the judge, a Sayyid, master above, waging war against Al-Aziz is like spitting at the sun. Allah is Al-Jamil and loves that which is Al-Jamal. And why would you have fear when Al-Wali is by your side? The most gentle Ar-Rafiq has the firmness of Al-Mateen. Musa spoke to As-Sami' but couldn't see Al-Basir. Al-Awwal was the first and Al-Akhir is the last. Al-Alim knows the present and the future and the past. Al-Wasi' encompasses all, it knows what benefits and harms. Al-Shafi heals the sick, and Al-Muhsin gives good to all. Al-Mubin guides to this deen, making the truth clear and clean. Al-Mu'min can provide security in ways you've never seen. Al-Qadir does what He pleases and is capable of all things. And he who kneels before Al-Mutakabbir can stand up to anything. Victory comes from Al-Nasir, so I give thanks to Al-Shakur. Put my trust in Al-Wakil, save my love for Al-Wadud. Ya Ghafoor, Ya Ghaffar, forgive me, for you are Al-Afu. At-Tawwab, we turn to you, cause you are Al-Quddus. Ya Salam, it is my dream to see you. Ya Kareem, Ya Fatah, open the highest gates of Jannah for me. Ameen. Al-Mujib hears my prayers even when I can't find the words to say them. And Al-Qawi gives me the strength to live a life of dedication to a Shahid, being a witness over this entire nation. Al-Hafiz protect this ummah from all the fitna and temptation. Al-Qareeb is closer to ourselves than our blood in circulation. Al-Latif shows us kindness, but most of mankind is ungrateful. Till Al-Hasib takes account on the day that we'll be standing naked. Where are their gods? Al-Jabbar will ask all of His creation, for He is Al-Qahar, while the rest are simply imitations. Al-Haq, the only truth on the day that our souls will become awakened. So repent before Al-Warith inherits all that you've accumulated. Al-Halim is patient with us, although we have disobeyed Him. Goodness from Al-Tayyib, and Al-Muhaymin makes observations of prostrations to Al-Zahir, manifesting through His creations. Al-Akram made us Muslims, so let us show appreciation, for He is Al-Jawad as revealed in His revelations. For those of contemplation, Al-Kabir must be the greatest, cause knowing Al-Manan is the only key to our salvation. The proof is Ar-Ra'uf, but it's true that their hearts are blinded, and this is just a reminder for those who love to be reminded of the most beautiful names and attributes that you will ever see, like the mercy of Ar-Rahman and the compassion of Ar-Rahim.